Choosing the DK leather is the best option available to customer because we ensure the material is durable and provides well quality and also comfort to our customer. Hi, I'm Ramani. This is my 7th year. I'm entering to this prestigious company. Since I joined here, not only I learn about the manufacturing things, apart of that, I have learned about the developments and also the 5 core tools regarding the customer satisfaction, supplier control, material inspection, material specification studies, and so on.
As a head of quality at DK Leather, we also ensure all our products meet customer requirements and satisfaction before out of delivery. In part of that, we also taking care after sales service, which is customer support, customer complaint, and warranty case to enhance our product quality. Hi, my name is Abdullah Sirajuddin. I'm from QA department. I'm working at DK Leather since October 2014, almost 10 years already. So my current position is assistant QA manager. So this one is overall production process flow and layout at DK Leather. So we have divided 3 sections, which is incoming, in process, WIP, and outgoing.
Here how some of the machineries that available in our laboratories. This is the most common testing machine available in automotive industries. The testing method is followed according to ASTM and also ISO test method. Some of the tests like abrasions, flexing endurance, and also rubbing fasteners. So all these materials are testing in the testing stage before we release to production. By doing these tests, we actually can pre-filter any abnormality available on the material such as peeling or not.
QCD method, which is supplying good product quality, competitive costs, and on-time delivery to customer, is the key point for us to compete global and local market.
I'm Amira and I've been working in DK Leather 6 from November 2016. I'm in charge of QASZ, which I do for the documentation control and also in the QMS system. QMS is a quality management system. So in DK Leather 6, we are certified to IATF 16949, basically for automotive standards, and for ISO 9001. This is for the management system. This is our department responsibilities to ensure that the compliance to the ISO and IATF requirement standards.
So this one is a product safety audit. So this one is we call Rikifu in Japanese language. The most important, we control safety product to ensure all good quality product.
Nama saya Muhammad Zulfahmi bin Zulfdi. Saya dalam DK, saya menguruskan bahagian CCR, maksudnya customer complaint untuk customer aftermarket. So basically kita akan receive email from BDU di mana kita akan tengok apa isu yang di-highlightkan oleh customer lah. So our intention as a QA, kita akan make sure all the complaint kita akan jawab dalam masa a day lah. This is to make sure that kita boleh provide the best service to the customer lah.
So any queries from the customer, we are ready to support here, and also we can solve the customer's problem anytime, anywhere. Choosing the DK leather is the best option available to customer because we guarantee every section we undergo. From the incoming, we receive the materials, leather, PVC or whichever, and every section we are doing a detailed inspection to ensure the material is meeting all the criteria before the material is reaching to customer's hand. With this, we ensure the material is durable and provides well quality and also comfort to our customer.
At last but not least, think quality, think DK Leather.